guys, welcome to my channel. This is the look you're going to see today, and it is a simple nighttime wedding guest makeup look, and it is very easy to achieve. It is basically a cut crease makeup. And before getting into the video, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share my video, and follow me on Instagram at Samyuktha Vinod. So let's start the Okay guys, let's start the makeup by using a primer, which is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, which is a silicone based, and it gives you a cool long lasting makeup. And this is it blurs out your pores to some extent. It will brightens up your face too, so it's a very good primer you can invest in. I'm applying it all over my face, and I'm just gently applying it. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as eyeshadow base. I'm applying it all over my eyelids, and I'm going to use a damp sponge to blend the foundation for concealer. Next, I'm using this Wet n Wild contouring palette yellow shade for setting the eyelid for the eyeshadows, which is coming up next. I'm using this pale peachish pink color from Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette as a transition color. The basic idea for this eye look is it's a cut crease, pink and golden cut crease. So as this palette has got more pinks, it's a matte pink blush palette. So I'm using this palette for creating the transition shade. Next, I'm going to use the white pink color, a little darker pink shade. So the basic idea for any eye makeup is just start with the light color and gradually go to the darker shades. I'm applying this. Next, I'm using this pearl finish pink color, pearly pink color, and I'm going to concentrate this color on the outer, not exactly outer corner, just near to the outer corner. As everything which we have used is a matte base, this is the pearlish color. Next is this maroonish pink color, and this is quite dark, so that is the reason why I've used this. I'm going to concentrate using this pencil brush to the outer corner just to give a good gradient shade. I'm just taking till the inner corner also. As we are going to do the cut crease, we are going to clean up the thing. Next is this pearlish brown color, pearl finish brown color. I'm going to concentrate, I'm going to apply this brown color to the outer part of my eyelids. I'm first placing it, later on I'm going to blend this using a blending brush. Blend it well, as there is no harsh edges. I'm further deepening up the crease using the same brown color. Please do not think of that mess out there. Anyways, we are going to clean up the eyelid further. Blend it well, as both the shades should blend in. Blend it super well. Blending is the key for any eyeshadow. Next, I'm using concealer to cut the crease. So this is the technique. Whenever you are going for a cut crease, always use the concealer in this direction, this vertical direction, not in horizontal direction. Slowly, by part, you can just use this flat shader brush for this purpose. And actually I should have stopped in the middle of the eyes, but like unknowingly, like I have by mistake I have taken it till the outer third, but no worries, I can later fix it out easily. So just concentrate vertically, not horizontally. That will not give you a very defined look. Next, I'm just taking this pale yellowish golden color, and I'm going to concentrate on the inner part of my eyelids. Always start with a lighter shade in the inner corner and gradually turn to a darker shade towards the outer corner. That will give you a beautiful look. I'm using Vega's angle flat shader brush. This is very, like, it's 100 rupees or so. It's very affordable too. So stop it till the middle of your eyes. Then later on you can use a darker golden shade, which is for which I'm using Maybelline's Master Chrome. I'm going to concentrate towards the middle of my eyes. This is slightly darker than the previous shade. As I've told you, like, as I've taken it a little long, I'm using the pink color to the outer third of the eyes to blend in the color. I'm going to fix it, the issue which I've created. So I'm taking the pink color. So for any mistakes in makeup, you can fix that, so no worries. When this is one of the video, like, I can show you how to fix the eyeshadow problem. Now I'm taking the pink, dark maroonish pink color and concentrate on the outer corner just to deepen it up, and brown shade as well. And I'm going to blend it well using the blending brush now, as all the colors should merge, and I don't want 3 different shades. So finally I'm just taking this nude color and concentrate on the outer part of the eye makeup to just blend the pink color with the skin color. The basic idea is this, but you can still skip this step. But this will give you a gradient natural finish. Next I'm using this Nykaa eyem kajal as an eyeliner. Sorry for the video, like it has gone out of the frame, but still have a separate video for this, how to create a winged eyeliner using like 3 different products. I'm going to link it in the iCard, which you can find it in the right hand side top corner. There's an I button there. You can click that and see the other video to know in detail how to create a winged eyeliner. Now let's move to the face makeup. I'm using Elegant Pro Conceal Orange and Peach Corrector for correcting the darkness in my face, that is usually under eye, around my nose, around my mouth. I'm just going to concentrate in that area. First I'm just applying it. As usual, this is the method I usually follow. Then later on I'm going to take up a dry tissue paper and take out the excess product. Now I'm going to use LA Girl Pro HD Illuminating Foundation. This shade is Nude Beige. This is a very good illuminating, and it gives a dewy look. This is very good for dry skin people, and as the winters are coming near, as if you are in winters, then this type of foundation will help you to get out of this dryness. I'm using a damp sponge to first stamp the foundation onto my face, and then later on I'm going to blend it with the same sponge. Just take your time when doing your base makeup. That is very, very, very important. To get a good flawless base, you need to take time. Don't do this in a hurry, and it will not that will not be a good makeup. Just take your time and blend. So as I cannot show you the full blending here, I'm just skipping few minutes, but still do not forget to concentrate. Next is I'm using this age rewind eraser concealer from Maybelline. The shade is Sand, and I'm going to concentrate on the highest point, like highlighting point, usual highlighting point, the sand under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, chin area, around my nose, around my mouth, below the contour line, and I'm going to blend it using the same sponge. And same here, same rule here. You should take your time, blend to get a good base look. So whenever you're going for a makeup, even if you're not concentrating much on your eye makeup or other things, but do not forget to concentrate and blend your base makeup. So that is the key for any good makeup. Blend the edges also. Blend it well. Next, I'm going to contour my face. First, I'm going to use both cream and powder contouring. I'll start with the cream contouring, and before that I'm going to set the concealer because it should not crease. So I'll first finish off setting it and then concentrate on contouring. I'm taking the yellow shade from the same palette and using the damp sponge to set the areas wherever I have cream concealed. Next, I'm just taking off any excess powder. Now for cream contouring, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toast. So whenever you're going to contour the cheekbones, always go slightly up, and the blending sponge should work towards the upward direction of your face, not downward. That will give you an illusion of an old aged look. So always concentrate on the upward direction. Now I'm just contouring the forehead, as I've got a wide forehead, so I'm just concentrating the contouring the forehead, and I'm nose contouring too. I'm using the fingers to blend the contouring part. So this is a good way where you can use your fingers in this part for a good precision. Than using any sponge or brush, it's good to use your fingers there. Next, I'm using I'm going to powder contour the area also. Just blend it very well. Powder contouring, I'm using Wet n Wild contouring palette. In the brown color, I'm using it. You can avoid this step if you wish. I want a well contoured face this time, so I'm using both powder and cream contouring. If you're not interested, you can just go for either one of the methods. So as it is for occasions, I'm using both. Next, for highlighting, I'm using Master Chrome highlight, which is molten gold from Maybelline, and I'm going to highlight this usual parts of my face. This highlighter is very good for a deeper and duskier skin tone people. You can very well get your hands on this highlighter. There's one more variant also. It is rose gold variant. I think that will suit the medium and fair skin people, but anyways, that's not an issue. You can use this also. And I'm highlighting the inner corners and brow bone using the same highlighter. So after this, I'm going to use the blush. I'm using Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette again, and the pink color, the bright pink color, and I'm going to use this blush to blend the three together. That is, your highlighter, contouring and blush should blend together. It should not be separate. It should not look separate. And if you're feeling it is quite overwhelming, you can use the powder brush to diffuse the color. Now I'm going to use the same method for the lower lash line also. Pinks and gold. You can very well check this in this video. And I'm going to just top this with the eyeliner kajal towards the inner, the lower lash line. So with this, eye makeup is over. And finally, I'm going to use Maybelline Super Stay Matting lipstick. This is a long lasting lipstick. I've done a separate review video for this. You can check this out in the I button or at the end card. I'm going to just link the other review video. You can very well go with that. This is a very superb long lasting lipstick, which is my absolute favorite. Finally, to bring all the makeup in place, to set all the makeup in place, I'm using Makeup Revolution's Pro Glow setting spray. This is a glowy setting spray which gives you a dewy look. I'm just spraying it all over my face. So guys, this is the final look. As it is a night time, I could not show you in a daylight, but still you can rock this look for any wedding guest, or you can use this for your own house wedding functions. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like button, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.